It's another great day and another great Christmas at Powerhouse right here in Tifton. They've got everything on the floor waiting for you to get some great gifts for fathers, for Christmas, and for brother. And take a look at these 400s they got. They've got a wonderful, wonderful selection of things for the kids to ride on, like this one for $1499.95. And then let's go right on down to this other Trailmaster. This one's $14,995. So come on down to Powerhouse and take a good look, and you'll be surprised at what you can get for just a little bit of money. Take a look at this unit. $2849.95. They'll do layaway, they finance, in-house, everything that you need to get something really nice for brother or dad or sister for Christmas. And they've got them laid out too. How about this pink one for $79.95? Not gonna beat that. How about this one right here, this black one? And here's another one, $799.95. It's some great deals at Powerhouse. I don't know how to do it. A red one, $799.95. A purple one, and then we got another pink one here. And hey, Dad, you need that deer getter? That one that can haul him out of the woods, this one will do it. For only $1,499.95, you can ride out of the woods in style. Put your deer on the back, ride out and smile. That's all you got to do. And let's remember, Powerhouse is the home of great lawnmowers and lawn equipment. They're serving people every day. Great service department. And remember, anything that you buy from Powerhouse, it runs. That's right. All you got to do is put the key in it and crank it up. At Powerhouse, they're going to have a super Christmas. And we want you to come to Powerhouse and do your Christmas shopping. Like I said, layaways are available. And at Powerhouse Outdoors, guns, they got guns, they've got hunting gear, all kinds of hunting gear. And they want you to come in and shop. If you need a handgun, and everybody needs a good handgun in the house for home protection, they've got a good selection, and they want you to come in and shop with them. A rack full of hunting guns, and a rack full of target guns if you want to shoot target or whatever you're shooting. Shotguns, you name it, they got it. And one of the best selection of ammo in Tifton. So come on down to Powerhouse and do your Christmas shopping while the selection is good. And let me remind you, the archery department's growing too, so check them out. Lots of arrows in stock for you hunters, so come on down to Powerhouse. And last but not least, let's talk about blowers. You need a blower if you've got a driveway that you need to sweep off. And let's get Grandpop a great steel chainsaw. He'll love it. Tifton's premier outdoor power equipment company is ready for Christmas, loaded with inventory, with all types of fun equipment for you to use in the woods and great lawnmowers. Come see them. The inventory has never been better. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Powerhouse right here on 2nd Street in downtown Tifton. And don't forget your Yeti cooler. We got them in inventory ready to go. Load them up, take them with you. Powerhouse, where the inventory has never been larger. At Christmas, think of us. We've got everything you need, even hunting blinds. It's Christmas time at Powerhouse on 2nd Street in downtown Tifton. They're located close to the post office.